Alright, so I'm here with Haley and she's going to help us set this up. First thing we've got our setup block. We're going to use this to help maintain some spacing between our vise and our work. Keep in mind that the mill will cut the vise if you put it too close, right? It doesn't know where the vise is, or where the table is for that matter.
But that's not the goal.
we don't want to do that. So go ahead, Haley, we're going to set up our setup block. Be careful because we do have our bit there, so we don't want to get our hands crossed across the bit. And then put our work into the vise. And it's important that we make sure that if we're going to cut off this area here, we want to make sure that we have enough clearance that our bit can cut that out without hitting our vise. And then how tight we want to make that vise.
Super tight.
Very tight. If that's loose, then when this bit goes to cut that material, it could move and then grab and cause all kinds of problems. This is our pointer finger. I'll use the sticker end of it. And we get more distance between our finger and our tools, putting with something that's we don't mind losing, right? You can see on this finger here has been a little bit more lost.
Before
and after, right? So you don't want to go from here to here. We've got some basic movements of the vise here, so Kelly, we're going to move our x-axis. You can see on our readout here, we've got positive x-axis moving in the direction that she's going now. If we go the other way, you're moving in the negative x direction. We've got our y-axis, which is going to control kind of the in and out. And again, you can see that moving on our readout. And finally, we've got our z-axis here. We only want to use one at a time. So really, if me and Haley are doing this together, I make sure she's not moving anything or not touching anything if I'm going to move our z-axis. So you can see here we go down, or really up, depends if you're talking about the bit or the tool. So now the work is going down, which is moving the bit up, or I can move the work up, which moves the bit down.